I was just unhappy with my weight and myself. It just affected me and just my overall being. Talked with my husband. We came down here and had a consultation, and then he gets interested in it.
I came with her and I'm like listening to everything, and I'm like, well, I want to lose weight and get in shape too.
Our daughter was getting married up in Michigan. We wanted to, look good for her wedding and wanted to feel good. My husband was going to be seeing his high school buddies he hadn't seen for quite a while.
Didn't want him to see me 30 pounds heavier than I used to be. So we started Semaglutide and we went on their diet. You get full faster on the Semaglutide. You don't really get the cravings for sweets or anything.
We had a nutritionist through the whole program, the whole 3-month program, that would meet with us and call us. We would tell her how we're feeling and she would adjust the diet as necessary. When I've seen the weight coming off with the semaglutide, I've just never been happier.
They definitely helped me lose over 28 pounds.
All thanks to Age Rejuvenation.
Thank you, Age Rejuvenation.